The ability to pick up the phone and call either Houston or San Antonio, Heil, and get those people on the phone that can just walk us through things makes a huge difference. I'm Darrel Lesak, Director of Environmental Services for the City of Victoria. I oversee multiple facets of environmental issues. We own our own landfill that I oversee. We own our own compost facility. Those are both run by contractors. We oversee all of the solid waste for the City of Victoria, which is curbside recycling, household hazardous waste pickup, brush and bulky pickup, as well as solid waste pickup. Victoria was established in 1824. It's an older city with a lot of dead-end streets. So that has always caused issues for us when it comes to picking up brush and bulky items. The issue is you go down one side, you have to back all the way out, turn around and come in the other side to be able to service. And especially when you get to the end, you can't be facing just one direction. I was up at Dallas, actually at the Texas Solid Waste Association North America show. Ran into Jeremy Davis, who works with Heil of Texas, and he was telling me about a new product that they had, and we went outside, he did a demonstration. I really liked it. Seemed like it would open up a whole new way of us being able to access problem areas in the city. Comparing the PALFINGER M100 to the previous product that we used, one, the reach was better, the operation was faster. One of the things that we really like about the PALFINGER is that all the hoses are routed internally. What that does is, one, it keeps the weather off of them. Routed internally keeps them from getting caught on any type of fence or tree limb or anything else, even driving down the highway, possibly on a traffic light or something if they're sticking up a little bit. The reach makes a huge difference. The ability for us to reach underneath things like tree limbs, power lines, to get things that normally we would have to call the customer and ask them to move piles. Now we're able to address those piles without having to force the customer to deal with the pile a second time. And as we replace trucks going forward, they'll all be replaced with the same vehicles. Our relationship with Heil of Texas has been very good. We've gone through 3 different chassis manufacturers due to issues, but for the last 16 years, we've stuck with Heil because they stand behind their product. If I have an issue, I pick up the phone and call. They send mechanics to my shop if need be. It's the fact that they call and check, they come by and check. They're here when you need them, and even when you don't need them, they're here, and that's what's important.
PALFINGER.